to know how to add futuristic graphics like that to your videos? Then keep watching. Hello everyone, Chris and Christina here with Wondershare Filmstocks, and we are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
So let's just jump right into it. We're going to show you how to use these futuristic sci-fi style graphics in your videos. So the technology HUD pack from Filmstock consists of a lot of different graphics, titles and overlays that you can use to create a futuristic vibe with your videos.
The technology HUD pack does work really well if you create science fiction or tech or gaming style videos. And Filmstock makes it really easy to add that little extra touch to your videos using this pack. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump into Filmora 10 and show you just how it's done. Okay, so to get your hands on this pack and try it out for yourself, all you have to do is, well, you can click the link in the description, or you can go to the Filmstock's website and then click on effects, and you can search for the pack in the search bar. And once you find it, just click download, and that will download into your Filmora video editor, which you will also need if you don't already have it. And now that we're in our Filmora video editor, we'll be able to see all the elements that are included in this pack. So you'll be able to see all the different sections at the top, including titles, transitions, effects, and elements. And within each of those sections, there are elements to this pack. So if you click on one of them, just find the Filmstock section, and then you will see the technology HUD pack right there. You just click on it and you will have all the elements, all the titles, effects, transitions, all within that folder. So at this point you can then add in your own footage, just import whatever footage it is that you want to add some of these graphics to. And it's as easy as that. The pack is now ready to use, so let's just have a look at some examples of how you could use some of these really cool graphics.
So obviously with this being the technology pack, it works very well with technology. So in this case we've used it with this smartwatch. You can use some of the elements in this pack to make it look like holographics, like we've done here with the watch. We used it to display the stats which you would be seeing on the watch. We used a combination of two of the titles to make this, and you just need to make sure that you place them in the right spot on the screen over the clip, and you just need to make sure that you time it properly so it looks real.
We thought this element would look really cool with this shot of a close-up of an eye. It almost resembles the shape of an eye on its own, so when you place it over the top of an eye, it has that sort of robotic, futuristic look, which we thought was really cool. You can add overlays like this and little pop-up titles like this. Very easy to use. All you have to do is drag them on top of your footage and change the text to whatever you want.
The nice thing about these Filmstock packs is that they all include different titles which you could use for an intro to your videos or an intro to a series that you've created, and it's already made for you. You just simply have to change the text.
You can really show your creativity with this one, and it's made really easy, all thanks to Filmstock. So give this one a try for yourself.
So there you have it. That is how you add the various graphics from the technology HUD pack to your own videos.
So head over to the Filmstock's website to get started, or you can also click the link, it's in the description.
You can really get creative with this one, so keep creating and we'll see you in the next one.
I didn't know.
It's already in my head that you did.
I did.